Have you ever paid for solo ad traffic only to get barely any leads? It's not your offer. It's not your autoresponder, but it's your squeeze page. And today in this video, I'm going to share you simple steps of how to build a high converting squeeze page for solo ad traffic so that finally you can turn those leads into commissions. If you're trying to build a real affiliate marketing business online and want to escape the 9-to-5 job, then you need a system that turns cold traffic into a warm leads. And when it comes to solo ads traffic, your squeeze page is the step one. But here's the thing. Most people build landing pages like they are for the Facebook ads or the Google ads or the Bing ads. It doesn't work here. Solo ads needs clarity, not creativity, simplicity, and not flash. Hey there, it's Manogar and welcome to part 10 of this how to make $100 per day with affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now, if you have missed the previous part where I have discussed step by step how to navigate Leadpages platform and what features are available and how to create a lead magnet, you can always watch the video on the top right of your screen. If you're serious about building a passive income online the smart way and you want simple and a beginner-friendly steps instead of hype, then hit the subscribe button below and turn on the bell icon. Every video in this series is like a puzzle piece. Miss one and you are not going to get the breakthrough that finally you want. Now let's get straight to Leadpages dashboard. And if you've not got Leadpages software, you can always check out the links in the description box below, or you can check out the first pinned comment to get your free 14-day trial for Leadpages. So this is the Leadpages dashboard. So when you come over here, go and click on this landing pages to create a new high converting squeeze page. So here you can see some of the landing pages that I have created. Now I'm just going to create a new landing page. Just click on create new landing page. Leadpages will show you so much of their own high converting squeeze pages that their customers are using right now. And you can also sort by the conversion rate, most popular, the collections, page type, industry, style, color. But we are not going to use any of those recommended by Leadpages. We are going to create brand new landing page. So I'm going to type it as blank. So you have got the blank template. Click on start building. Now Leadpages will ask you to enter a name for landing page. I'm just going to enter it as test for this purpose and click on continue. So you can see this is the home page where you're going to build your landing page. So you can see the different sections like the layout, the sections, the widgets, the styles, settings, writing assistant. You will mostly use the widget sections. So here what you need to do is just go and click on this layout. You can see the page layout, the sections, that you can add a section over here. And when you click on this hero drop down, you can see the section style, the rows, the columns, and under section you can see the different section types that are available over here. So under the widgets, you can see there are different widgets that are available to use and build your landing pages, the text, the image, video, the custom form, the form. So mostly we'll be using the text and form and videos and image and text. And when it comes to the styles, you can see the buttons, the font, the background, the favicon, the CSS scripts. And next is settings, and under the settings you can see the SEO, social, analytics, language. So mostly we will be using this analytics where we will be entering the tracking section codes over here from opt-in dojo. And finally you have the writing assistant. Now writing assistant is going to help you in creating a high converting copy. You can use it, but I'm not going to use it for our squeeze page. So first step is we need to go to widgets, and from there we are going to drag and drop a text. So remember guys, Leadpages is all about dragging and dropping, and you don't need any technical skill. So just click on this text and drag it over here until the blue box appears. And once the blue box appears, just drop it. So you can see this, input your text in this area. So I'm just going to enter something like free training reveals. So let it be in the double quotes. So I'm just going to have it this in a font size of 8, and you can bold it, and I'm just going to center it. So now you can see this in free training reveals. I'm just going to change the color also. and let me change the color. You can go over here and you can add this recent color over here, and let me see what color I'm going to choose. Yeah, something of this sort. I think this should be good enough, or you can change the color even more. Let me see if I can still get a darker one. Now let me see free training reveals. Okay, I think next we will add the header. Now this is going to be like the hook, and next I'm going to add the header. Now just drag and drop the text again and drop it just below this free training reveals. Yeah, now I'm going to add the header. Now this is going to be the magic templates. Newbies are using automatically make commissions every month. So this is going to be our header. I'm just going to turn this into 12 maybe. And going to center it and going to bold it. The font will be black. So let us move on and add the form just below this. Now go and click on this form and drag and drop just below this, right, and the blue box appears, and here you can see the form. And I'm just going to change the call to action, get instant access. So that is going to be call to action. And next I'm just going to change the color of the button. So this is the color of the button, and let it be medium, and click on this edit styles. You come down, you can see this button and you have the button color. Click on this button color and go to recent ad. I'm going to choose something around the orange color. So let us see how it looks like. So close it and you can see, yeah, it looks good. Now next, if you want to collect only the email address, then it's okay. Now if you want to collect both the name and the email address, then you have to edit the form. Now this is called as the form. Now you can click once inside this, and over here you go to the fields over here, and you can see only the email is added. Now if you want to add the name, click on the plus button, add the first name over here. So you can see the name has been added over here, and click on done. Now you want to move the name to the top, you can just click on this up arrow. Now you can see the first name and the email address are captured. Now click on this. Now you can see the first name and the email under the form. Now under below this, I'm just going to add a simple text. I'm just going to click on widgets, text, drag and drop just below this button, and I'm just going to write it as we respect your privacy. So I'm just going to star over here and make sure that this is around the size 4 font size, and let us italicize it. Okay, and let it make it as to the center. Okay, I think this looks good. Now we are going to add color to this background. Now go to this hero section, click on these 3 dots, edit section settings, and background. You can see this background color. I'm just going to add the background color, which is light. I think this looks better, this color code. Now click and close on. Once chosen the background color, click the close button. Now you can see this simple high converting squeeze page. I'm just going to make sure that this color and this color remains the same. So let me check what the color is over here. Now you can see that both this color and this color remains the same, and the background is very light, which makes that this words are visible, the hook is visible, the header is visible, and this is a simple squeeze page that is going to convert you very well. So once done, the final step is to go and click on the publish button. Now your landing page is published. Copy this link and just check once in your browser. Now once done, you can always check whether it has been mobile optimized or not. Now this is the desktop version which you see right now, and when you click on this tablet version, you can see how it looks on a tablet. So make sure that the call to action, which is the button always remain above the fold. Now, what do you mean by above the fold? So whenever the users are viewing on either tablet or the mobile, make sure that they don't need to scroll down in order to check and click for this button. So in this case, it is above the fold, which means they don't need to scroll down to access this button. Same thing when you click on this phone button over here, you can make sure that it appears very good on the mobile, and you can see that the call to action button is above the fold. The good thing about Leadpages is that compared to other softwares or other funnel builders out there, they have it mobile or anything optimized automatically. So click on the back button. So once you click on this landing pages, you can see the template. So we have seen how to build a simple high converting squeeze page with Leadpages. Now it took less than 5 minutes to build this simple squeeze page, and remember that it's just the one squeeze page that we have built. You always need to have at least 2 squeeze pages in order to A/B test, which is split testing on the solo ads traffic. You have to run solo ads traffic to these 2 squeeze pages and see which one is converting better. Right now, this squeeze page converts around 40% plus opt-in rates. So that's going to be like 40 leads out of every 100 clicks. Now, you always need to test and see which one works better and always scale from there. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to build a simple bridge page where you are going to take the visitor from the squeeze page to the bridge page and then to the affiliate offer. So please stay tuned for the next video. So go and build a squeeze page, make it simple, make it clear. Please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss the next video where I'm going to go in detail for the bridge page. So see you until then, bye.